Today we're going to do a quick QuickSilver Video Server installation tutorial. So normally you first hang the monitor and then you're going to do the installation of the video server, which could be locally or remote. For this one we have a spot to put it locally. So let me find the video server. This is the interconnect lead we're going to use for the video server. And here's the video server. So what we do is, on this particular installation, we connect the video server to its lead, and then we get behind the monitor, install it, power it up, attach it to a preset piece of Velcro that we had, push the monitor home, and we wait for the video to appear. So the unit is now booting. And here it is, the splash screen, followed by the content. Now at this point you want to turn it on or off, you want to change the content, you want to do anything else with it. It's all done wirelessly, so there's no further need for any other work to be done here. We're done with it. And thus ended the QuickSilver Video Server installation tutorial. Thank you.